Today, we will not be swimming. Instead, I will show you an abs and core workout you can do in the swimming pool. Each round takes around 4 minutes, which means that if you do all 5 rounds, it should take you around 20 minutes. The first exercise is V-up hold. Do that for 30 seconds. The second exercise is Dolphin kick, pushing the wall for 30 seconds. Make sure to use your abs when you push down and your lower back when you push up. Then go straight into butterfly kick on your back with your arms by your side. You have 1 minute to complete a 50. If you get there before the time is up, you may rest the remaining time. Then do 30 seconds of vertical kick. If your swimming pool is too shallow for that, do 125 of butterfly kick with your arms out of the surface and in a streamline like this. Finally, to finish the first round, do 30 seconds of shark shimmy. Don't worry if you don't move very far. This will work the sides of your core. Now, rest for a minute before starting the next round. If you can, do 5 rounds of this. I hope you liked it and give it a try. If you do, please come back and share your thoughts with us in the comment section. We have exciting new things in our webpage, like swimming articles that might be of interest to you. Click here if you want to read them. If you want another core video, click here. This one is outside of the swimming pool. See you there. Swim fast.